Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan Chan. So today is Tuesday, November 3rd, and I'm about to go to the Dirty Apron to pick up the lunch kits for the kids over at Purpose Secondary in New West. And so would love to keep the camera on and chat with you as I'm driving to Dirty Apron, but to be a good citizen and not to disobey the law, I will turn off the camera now and I'll be right back with you when I get to the Dirty Apron over in downtown on Beatty Street. So, I'll be right back and sit tight, alright? Bye for now.
Okay folks, I'm at the Dirty Apron. As you can see here, it's pouring rain and I'm about to head over to the loading dock. As you can see, they're shipping out food like crazy, even to another non-profit right now. They're wheeling it over. And so I'll be picking it up over here at this door. And so I'll be picking up some food right now. So stay tuned. Alright, so the food is picked up and I am about to head over to Purpose Secondary School. As you can see, today they will be having vegan salad with no dairy. And what else is there? And sandwiches, custom made per student. Can you believe it? Each sandwich has a student's name on it. So hopefully these folks would love it. And so I'll be right back. I'm heading off to Purpose Secondary School now, and I will be back. And so sit tight and stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm here at Purpose Secondary School. Where's the sign here? Where's the sign? Where's the sign? Right there. Right at the Purpose Secondary School. Just arrived, and I'm going to just drop off the lunch kits for the kids at the table and pick up 2 empties and go back to the Dirty Apron to drop off the hot boxes back to them so they could fill up the lunch kits again. I mean, fill the hot boxes with the lunches for tomorrow's pickup. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Just going to go in there with these wonderful lunches, drop them off here, and right after that I'm gonna head back to the Dirty Apron. And once I get back to the Dirty Apron, I'll probably just give a few words to you guys. So be right back.
Hi folks, just arrived back at the Dirty Apron, going to drop off the empty hot boxes back to them so that they could fill those boxes back with lunch kits for tomorrow. Just a final word, the whole process was quite easy. I got here at around 9:50 a.m. and the folks at the Dirty Apron were ready to go. The chef was Takashi today, who just gave me the boxes, loaded up in the car, my car, and I drove over to Purpose Secondary, which I show you where it was. It was over in New West. Then I picked up empty boxes from Purpose Secondary back to the Dirty Apron so that they could fill those empties back up with lunches for tomorrow. The whole process was quite easy. Now, just a final word. Since it's quite easy, I encourage you, the one who's viewing this video, to also maybe, if you can, help be one of the drivers. We still need more drivers to join the team, just in case if anyone is unable to do their shift. But you know what, if you are able to, just let us know. Feel free to just email us or comment at the bottom of the page of this Facebook post or this YouTube video, whatever you're seeing it. You could either email community@cruciblechurch.com or just email directly to me at jonathan@companyofdisciples.com. And or just go to visit any of those web pages, either cruciblechurch.com or companyofdisciples.com. Drop us a line and say that you're interested in being one of the drivers for to deliver these lunches, and we'll be glad to just have you join the team. And so that's it from me. Have a wonderful week or a wonderful day, and I hope that you could join our team. That's it from me. Bye now.